Hi everyone, thank you for joining. My name is Jennifer. I'm a tutor at the Garcia Center and I attend Texas A&M University Corpus Christi. Today I'm going to be going over some math for students ages 9 through 10 which are in 3rd and 4th grade. After the video there will be a small quiz. This quiz can be found in the link above. The quiz will consist of what I'm about to go over. For more videos like this, make sure to join us on Mondays and Wednesdays at 12:30 p.m. I hope you guys enjoy. Today we're going to get started with grade 3 and 4. We are going to be subtracting fractions with like denominators. So we need to find the difference of the fractions. So like denominator means, so remember, a fraction has the numerator and the denominator. So by like denominators, it means that the bottom have to be the same. So like if we look at number 1, we have 10 over 11 minus 9 over 11. So like denominators mean that the bottom are the same. So that means it will stay the same. So we have 10 over 11 minus 9 over 11. So what we would do is 10 minus 9. What is that? That is 1. So it would be the 1 on top over 11. So we keep that 11. So the answer is 1 over 11. Let's look at number 2. We have 6 over 7 minus 4 over 7. Again, we have the same denominator, 7 and 7. So let's do 6 minus 4. So what is 6 minus 4? That is 2. So we'll have 2 on top, and we'll keep the same denominator, and that is 7. So the answer is 2 over 7. Let's look at number 3. We have 8 over 9 minus 5 over 9. So let's do 8 minus 5. That is 3. And then we have the same denominator, and that is 9. If we look at these two numbers, we can recognize that they both have the same multiple. So by that I mean we would have to get the factors of 3 and the factors of 9. So I can show you what I mean. So factors of 3 is 1 and 3 because it's 1 times 3 equals 3, and that's it. There's nothing else. Factors of 9, we have 1 times 9, so we have 1 and 9. 2 times nothing, and then we have 3 times 3. So that would just be 3, or we'll just add it on here, 3 times 3, and that is it. So we see that they have the same multiple, which is 3. So what we need to do is divide this by 3 because we can simplify it. We can make it smaller. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So this would equal 1 over 3. Let's go on to the next one. We have 10 over 12 minus 3 over 12. So what is 10 minus 3? That is 7 over 12. Has the same denominator. So the answer is 7 over 12. And they do not have nothing the same as for factors. Let's go on to the next one. We have 7 over 11 minus 2 over 11. So let's do 7 minus 2. That is 5. And then we keep the 11. Again, we should know that they have nothing in common. No common factors or multiples. Let's go on to the last one. We have 10 over 12 minus 4 over 12. So let's do 10 minus 4, that is 6. Then we keep the same denominator, that is 12. We know that these numbers can have the same multiples. So let's do the factors of 6 and factors of 12. So let's do 6. We have 1 times 6, of course. 2 times 3, and that's it. So let's look at number 12. We have 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. So the highest greatest common factor, so we have greatest common factor is, because they have the 1 in common, they have 6 in common, the 2, and 3. But the greatest is 6. So it is, the greatest common factor is 6. So what we would need to do is divide by 6. 6 divided by 6, that is 1. 12 divided by 6, it is 2. So the answer is 1/2. So remember, we looked at subtracting fractions with like denominators. Again, a fraction is a numerator and a denominator. So we have like denominators, so the bottom, which is the denominator, have to be the same. And if you look at number 3 and number 6, these can be simplified by finding the factors of each number, which is basically the multiples. So we have 1 times 3 is 3, and that is it. 9, we have 1 times 9 equals 9, and 3 times 3 equals 9. Again, for these, 1 times 6 equals 6, 2 times 3 equals 6. For number 12, we have 1 times 12 is 12, 2 times 6 is 12, and 3 times 4 is 12. So that is for factors. And like this one, we have to find the greatest common factor so we can be able to simplify this answer. So that is all we have for subtracting fractions with like denominators. That's all I have for you today. And remember, for more videos like this, join us on Mondays and Wednesdays. If you have any questions regarding the problems I went over, feel free to ask them on the comments below. And if you have any subject you'd like me to go over, you can go ahead and write them down in the comments as well. Thank you.